This is the look of 3 a.m. 3 a.m. with a cold, getting ready to go to Greece. Let's do this.
Okay. Jackson.
Trying to sneak in so the street dogs don't come, and Jackson's crying. You hear them barking in the distance.
You got that?
Jackson, you feel better? We're ready to go!
Galley vessel Sunday, Preveza. Good morning. Just requesting permission to exit the harbour, Preveza. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Sunday out. He sounded really tired.
Ryan, it's our last trip of the year.
Well, not really, just like a little bit.
It's for the year. It's January. It's going to be January.
I know, but you know what? When you say that, it's like people sail for 6 months and then they go home for the winter. But we're just stopping off. So we're going to a marina because I'm going to whip home quickly, and Brittany's going back to
Canada for Christmas.
So we'll stop off at a marina for a little bit and fix the boat, get it all sorted, and then we got to put it up on the hard. So we'll figure that out in a few weeks, won't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to have to put the boat up on the hard as well, and that's going to be fun. That's going to be all the how-to videos. Or not really, it's going to be me asking how-to. How do you guys do this? And then you guys are going to go, oh mate, you did it wrong.
You're doing it wrong.
Alright, it's really early, let's get this done. See you, Sarande. That's where we're heading. See you later, Ubi Dooby. They're going to be the last Australian boats left now. Well, we're
Does
heading.
everyone like my jacket? It's actually Ryan's.
My jacket, my pants.
Yeah. Jackson likes
Man, he's so wakeful. Like he wants to play 24/7. Jesus. This is as far east we've got. We've got Albania and Greece. And Greece.
I'm gonna go make some breakfast. The wind's just picked up, so we put the sails out and we're flying. Now I'm gonna try and make some breakfast, but we're on a bit of a lean.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind
stuffed. It was so funny. I was coming in, but it just felt really narrow. And I was like, you know what, I'm just going to pull in and let the boats bounce me in.
Yeah, just pretty much what happened.
Yeah. We
Jackson,
had
that was
a
not
timber
graceful.
one. Timber.
Jackson.
Hey, buddy. I'm stuffed. And it's only 8 o'clock.
We're tired.
Yeah.
That was a big day.
Yeah, well, it was really, really frustrating because we wanted to get here before the sun went down. We just hammered it on the motor at like 2300 revs. We usually kind of cruise at 1900 revs, and then every few hours we'll just like flatten it for a bit just to clean out the whatever. I don't know. Anyway, we went through a lot of fuel, didn't we?
Yeah, we had to refuel.
So I'm going to check us in tomorrow. We have to go get some food and then clean out the locker. I'm going to start packing because I'm going back to Australia. Alright, so that's it. This is not too exciting. I'm going to go sleep now. Goodbye. You can replace straight away. But not all the rigging. You can do bits at a time. But it's still going to cost me about $1,000 Australian. So I have to get that fixed too. So I've got to get the painting all done and everything. And I'm going to get the rigging. Alright, so I'm going to go check in. No, not check in, sorry. I'll take you with us when we check in. I'm just going to go up to the marina office here and just pay for the first month anyway. Pretty good hotspot for liveaboards apparently. I've already met a few people. Went to the bathrooms, which are incredible. The showers are hot, warm, nice, awesome. It's all brand new facilities. But Jackson, come on mate. Brittany's just gone to have a shower and he's upset. Hey, and there was a little dog out there and Jackson wanted to play with him. So I got this one here, biting my hand. Jackson, come on mate, relax. Brittany's back in the shower already. Right there, isn't it? I'm walking. I love he just kind of cocks his leg open a little bit and
That's how you know you're in the clear. Like, cock a leg and you know you're in.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a nice baby.
He's like, pat me, pat me.
Love a good butt scratch. I wanna get all the dogs.
Look how happy he is.
I know what you can get, James.
What?
A bottle of ouzo.
Mascard.
Ryan's already found his creperie. He's pumped.
I know that we're on a budget and that, but we have to come back here. Look, it even looks like a train.
We're like falling deeply in love with this town. It's so cute.
I know.
We're having a really hard time finding somewhere to eat.
What a creperie. Oh, the town's good too. This town's epic. It's good, eh? Look at that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, it's huge.
I'm gonna do that to go.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. It's incredible.
You're such a mess.
I've already done mine, but you know what? There's more. I think this says Port Police, but I don't know.
Well, this seems like a really legit pathway to it, so...
Yeah, no, this is normal. This is like, what it was, a bar, Montenegro. The only place that looked like really full on with like the big building and sign and like you walked in and it looked like a bloody church inside of the venue was Syracuse. That was really nice. Port Authority. Alright, see you later.
Those are not your groceries. Come on. That's not your groceries. Ryan, are you hungry?
I am really hungry. I'm hungry!
Ryan's asked for cauliflower tacos, so I'm going to take you on this journey. Because I've had a few people ask about my cauliflower tacos. Are you guys excited?
I'm excited. What first, my love?
Few countries we've been to, we struggled finding groceries, so we've been eating a lot of vegetarian. And so my roasted cauliflower and tacos is the one of my vegetarian meals that Ryan actually really likes and asks for. Even if we do have meat, he'll still ask for cauliflower tacos.
Well, yeah.
That's a lot of cauliflower.
I'm feeling so hollow.
So I added my chopped cauliflower, a ton of garlic. Normally I would add garlic powder as well, and like onion powder into the seasoning, but I don't have any right now. So for my taco seasoning, I do chili powder, sweet paprika, ground cumin, and like I said, normally I do garlic powder and onion powder, but I don't have that. And I'll do salt and pepper as well. So ground cumin, I literally like put so much on it. And then I do chili powder, and I don't put a ton on because Ryan's a wuss.
Oi.
And then sweet paprika and salt and pepper. I have some olive oil in the bottom of the pan as well. Oh no! I like them in really small pieces because then it gets really roasted and yummy, whereas the chunkier pieces don't have as much flavor. Look at the babies. Finn has decided that Jackson is a better bed than anything else. No, stop it. Finny, you love Jackson so much. He's such a good brother. The two boys are too cute. My cauliflower's roasted, so I'm gonna start putting this bad boy together. Sour cream. And I found in some countries you can't find sour cream, so if you can't find it, I use like a full fat Greek yogurt. I put lots on because we love sour cream. And then my roasted cauliflower. Caramelized onions on top. A bit of cheese. Purple cabbage. And some corn. And that's it. Alright, Ryan, you ready to eat?
Yeah. Starving.
So I got this idea from when we were in Bali, and they were fried cauliflower tacos, but they had caramelized onions and aioli, the cabbage and corn and everything. We try and make it a bit healthier by doing roasted instead of deep fried.
Cheers, big ears. Alright.
Do you know what the trick is as well? Keep a burrito below you so anything that drops down just drops into your next burrito.
I never thought I'd say this, but I prefer this than chicken.
Don't you know? Don't you know?
The other thing is sometimes they're really good, sometimes they're just good. I don't ever use a recipe for pretty much anything I do. Sometimes I accidentally put way too much spiciness or salt or something in it.
It is spicy. Well, that's why you should have a recipe, so you know how to do it.
Yeah, but I didn't have a recipe to start with, so it's hard to just like
So
create
how much
a
you got on
recipe.
this time?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Just chucked it on.
A little family. Where's Finn?
He's sleeping on the bed. Oh, why baby?
Oh, you're a good boy.
Ryan's gonna be so jealous that I have a burrito left for tomorrow and he doesn't.
No, because you usually give it to me because I'm hungry before you.
He's looking at the burrito and then looking at you and then looking at the burrito.
You can't have it, dude. It's too spicy. You will not poo right for days if you eat that. He'll be crying as he poos.
Ryan.
Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Ah, Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me. Like that.